Good morning, guys. What's going on? Hope all's well. Today is, I have no idea, August 14th. It's actually afternoon, 2 o'clock. Hope all's well. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope the weather was nice. It's kind of hazy today here, but it's beautiful. It's like 80 degrees. Very low humidity. New York, I'll take it. But that's it. Let's see. I'm going to a no AC call. Doesn't say what. Doesn't say anything. Let's just see what it is. No AC downstairs, it says. So I think there's a couple old units here. I've been to this house a couple years back. Let's just see what these are doing anyway before I even go inside. Downstairs. It's labeled downstairs. Okay. Hello. How you been?
I'm okay. How are you?
Good. What's going? When did the AC stop working?
Yesterday.
It just went off, or just stopped cooling?
Wasn't. It just went off.
Okay. How is the indoor fan downstairs running? Like, do you feel any kind of air?
I don't think so. We don't think that because we didn't go. My husband went downstairs and hit all the whatchamacallits, the switches, like the
breakers.
Yeah, but okay. I don't think he checked otherwise. But checking the registers, we're not feeling any fan coming.
Can I go to the thermostat, please?
Yeah, it's right here in the dining room.
Thank you.
It feels cool because I think upstairs
is
working.
The upstairs is cooling the
But I
down.
didn't feel anything coming through in the fan.
Well, I'm gonna put fan to on.
When we put the fan on, he didn't feel anything.
Okay.
But boy, it's cool right here.
Well, yeah, it's dropping downstairs, so.
I'm not feeling anything.
Oh, sorry. Nope. When you go down, you have a furnace here, don't you? Furnace with AC coil?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me check it out.
If you recall.
I remember, down to the
Straight
right.
back.
Perfect, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Do 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 do. Let me see. Disconnect. That's on. Door. Okay. So the door's energizing. Fuse looks a little funky. Let me just check this fuse with the meter, right? So let me see if I'm gonna put you guys on the camera like this. So then put the camera there. Put the fuse there. It's on a ring. See? Yep, the fuse is no good, even though it looks to me fine. If I was just, oh no, you can see it broken. Now I see it in the better, and with the camera, my eyes must suck. But yeah, your fuse is bad. Question is, why did it go bad, right? Let me see if I have one in the truck or maybe in my bag. I know I have one in the truck. Let me check the bag first. Dear, I'm gonna run to my truck for a moment. I'm just gonna run to my truck for a second.
Oh, okay, sure. Doors open.
Okay. Doesn't look like it burned from any kind of low voltage short. Could have just, I don't know, broke, whatever. Let's see what it is. It sounds like my AC condenser's on too. Let me just feel it. AC's running too. It's a fuse. How does this guy have this? Wired in to, it's got his high voltage. Okay, so you have here 240 and your 24 on your secondary, which is your blue and yellow, or your blue and green. Where do you put those? Okay, did it right. Black comes out. Yellow there. That's nice. How you put that in? Just fucking glue it. I mean, duck board. I hate duck board. Okay, so we have AC running outside on that good old York. Check our filter. Pop up. The pop up. Clean. These are the worst. These boxes and the train boxes I hate. The train EACs, so bad. Alright, let's go outside. Alright guys, we're gonna clean up the bag and I'm gonna get outside now. Auto. Do 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 do. Cap, contactor. Alright, this thing's old, bro. What year is this joint? Wow, no data, huh? Oh, here it is. 1996. I was a junior in high school. 35.5. Made in the USA, most likely. I don't know. Assembled in Mexico. I think it's still USA. But whatever. Let me jump out or test my Herm side. My common. They don't make them like this anymore, bro. Anything else that's made in China is bad after like a year. I mean, really, dude. So now let's check our 5 side. Wow. I bet you this thing's original, too. Well, that's what it is. Home of the free, land of the brave. Home of the brave, land of the free. I don't know how this. But whatever. This thing's looks like trash, but it works. Okay, I'm gonna go inside now and check temp split. She told me she doesn't want me to look at this one. I guess somebody did maintenance in April. I'm sorry. But this thing's definitely moving heat. But let me go check the temp split inside, the temp drop. That come down. So right here. I'll put this down like this. Come down a little more. 74. Let's go from my house. That's good. Dear, what temperature would you like me to set it to?
73.
You got it. I'm gonna run outside and just grab a ticket. I'll be back. Thank you. Flight leaves at 8. Her flight lands at 9 and my game just rewinds. So you're upstairs, downstairs. Nice, beautiful. 1996. They don't make them like that anymore. That was a simple call. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week. That's it, yeah. Basically the fuse didn't look like it was blown. It just looked like it was bad. But yeah, no low voltage short. Went outside, condenser was fine. As you saw, the capacitor was good. Don't ask me how, but again, they don't make them like that anymore. I let her know that it, aesthetically it looked bad, but it was working fine. And it's an old 1996 system, so I don't think she should change it anyway. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care, guys.